So hey guys, today I will be reviewing hair from Cranberry hair. It came in this bag, and you know the FedEx postal thing, but it came in this bag. It came with lashes that I probably won't be using because I don't wear lashes. And the hair, the wig itself came in this bag. It is 18 inches and a 13x4 frontal wig. And this is the unit. It comes with 3 clips on the inside. 1, 2, 3. And it comes with adjustable lace right here. And I'm pretty sure you can put it in a ponytail if you wanted to, because it comes with lace in the back. So basically I'm just waiting on my client to come, and this wig will be installed, and I will give the rest of my review after that. So hey guys, I'm back, and it's like 6 days later. I'm so sorry that the wait for this video has been so long, but a lot of things happened. So first of all, I was supposed to have somebody to put this wig on. I wasn't gonna put it on myself, but things didn't go that plan, and Barry tricked the heck out of us, and I was going out Dunzo, Alabama. I'm gonna say it wrong, but I think I'm not gonna even say it. I'm not gonna even embarrass myself like that. But I was in Alabama, and that's why this video has taken so long to get uploaded. So I'm basically gonna jump into this review. So basically, I'm gonna give you the cons, and I'm gonna give you the pros of this hair. And I'm also gonna tell you the colors. Yo, bitches buzzing, they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo, mama, don't bring your dad to the mall, cause when he be in there, she know he be choosing. So first, I'm gonna give you the pros to this hair. Now, a lot of you probably saying 18 inches wear. I'm just gonna do the cons first to get the day out the way. So y'all probably saying 18 inches wear. Yes, I don't think this hair is truly 18 inches because it's more like a 16 stretched out, but curled up is probably like a 14 and some change. But I mean, I don't have a problem with it, but like if you were to order it yourself, I would. If you was going for 18, I would probably go for 20 or 22. So yeah, that's a kind to it. But another kind is that it kind of shades, but it could also be, since I did bleach the knots on the frontal, it could be shedding, so I don't know. But I have got a bit of shedding, like maybe this or something. Oh, the hair it's not like, if you were going for a stupid full look, this will not be the wig for you. But since I'm not a full hair type of person, I like this look. It looks more natural than having a whole bunch of hair in your head, honestly, in my opinion. Which my mother would totally agree with, because the lady put like 6 bundles in her head, and it's sad. But I want to go on to the pros. Now, pros is this length. I'm loving this length, and it's doing a lot for me because I was looking like. So I also love the curl pattern. The curl pattern looks more natural. It doesn't look like stupid tight, and it doesn't look like artificial curls. Like, the curl pattern is beautiful. And another thing is this lace melt. Oh. So I just got really interrupted by my mother and my sister. But so I was saying that I will leave the promo code at the bottom, and I will leave the link the link in the description below for this hair if you're interested. And yes, use that promo code. Period. And I'm not sure how much this wig was because it was sent to me, but I will make sure to leave the price down there as well as the link. So anyways, bye guys. One more thing, I forgot to say this, but I'm gonna need for you, you looking at me through this phone, I'm gonna need for you to like, comment, and subscribe. That's it, on Deborah Johnson. I'm done. I know I said I was done and I put that on Deborah Johnson, but sis, I need you to go buy this wig. It's giving me Moana vibes. It's giving me, you ain't even have to go dumb like that. It's giving me, I got flued out, all expense paid. But like, seriously, you need to go buy this wig. You're gonna, the strips, still well. Still well. Still well, sis. Willies. Still well. Oh, that's what I thought. Put that right back on.
Very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, thick.